So if we're going to take a sample of tissue for the Dairy Genomic Programme, this will be the case that will come. The applicator will be inside together with the tissue, the tubes for the tissue. So we open the case, we have our gun, and we have our tubes. These are the tubes, 50 to a bag. Tubes are in individual plastic bags, and the individual number of the animal is on those tubes and on the outside of the bag. The tube is inside in the bag. The gun, it doesn't leave a tag in the ear. It's simply using the tube. It simply removes a tiny 3 ml sample of tissue from the ear of the animal and deposits that sample into the tube that contains the preservative liquid. We'll now remove the tube out of the individual bag, and remember, we'll be using this bag to place the sample when you have taken it in order to return it to the laboratory. So we'll leave that there to one side. We'll get our gun. Always hold the sample tube by the two little red legs and have them in an upright position. Seat the tube into the cavity. Turn the black handler here until the tube is sealed in. Then what we call priming the tube, we just press forward, so, and then remove the red piece, which is waste. It's not needed anymore. It has done its job. We're now in a position to tag the animal. Simply place the ear of the animal between the needle and the tube. Press the handle. We now have the sample. Open the black handler, remove the tube. The tube will then contain the sample of tissue. We then retain the individual bag, and we're ready to send it to the laboratory. The gun, the little white piece that's there, simply open the two handles outwards, and that little piece, both of those pieces are waste and are not needed anymore. You now have your sample ready to go to the laboratory, and you can proceed to do the next animal.